Hello, this is James Bush, your fine-tuned trader on this tremendous Thursday, May 27th, before the London Open. Let's see what the market is doing today. First, looking at the euro dollar, we can see here that we went down to a low of approximately 1.2152, bounced off of that, its support, and then went to a level of approximately 1.2285 where we found resistance, and where it is now trading at 1.2257. Overall, we see that the trend continues to be down, so we're going to continue to monitor that. Likewise, in the euro pound, we see that the trend continues to go down. We found support at about 1.8451. It is now gone up to 0.8483, where it is currently staying right now. Looking at the pound dollar, we see that we've kind of reached a level of consolidation, sideways action movement right now. We've found that there's a resistance level at approximately 1.4466. We're currently trading at 1.4445. The Aussie dollar is now in a sideways action as well on the long term. We find that we are currently trading at 0.8307. Looking at the dollar Swiss, we see that we have an overall upward trend. We found that our high was at 1.1695, and we are currently trading at 1.1551. The New Zealand dollar has been going down. It's reached a low at approximately 0.6559, and we are now trading at 0.6690. With the dollar CAD, we find that it has been recently gone up to a high of 1.0853, and we now see it is trading at 1.0638. The dollar yen, we see overall we're having downward movement. At this point, we have reached a level of consolidation. We are currently trading at 90.13. And with the euro yen, we see as well that we've been on a downward move. We've had somewhat of an up move at the point at 110.45. The pound yen is in an overall downward movement. It's hit a low on the previous day of 126.72. It's now currently trading at 130.12. Now, looking at our after hour action for the S&P 500, we see that we're currently trading at 1,073.6. We've had a somewhat upward move these past days. Looking at gold, we see that we've been moving up. Currently trading at $1,215.35. And looking at our Dow, we see that we've dropped as low to 9,870, and we've moved back up since then, and we're currently trading at 10,025. And finally, looking at the Oil, we recognize that we dropped as low as 67.14, and now we're seeing a movement up where we're now trading at 71.73. So that's what our charts are looking like. Let's go to the economical calendars and see what we have to look forward to. So looking at the 27th, we see that we're going to have Germany's preliminary CPI month-to-month coming out. We're going to have an FOMC member speaking at 2:40 a.m. The Swiss will have their employment levels coming out. The pound will have the CBI realized sales. President Weber will be speaking at some time during the day. We see that we have the Canadian dollar bringing out corporate profits. And at 8:30, we have the US dollar with preliminary GDP, unemployment claims, and preliminary GDP price index. Then at 10:30, the natural gas storage will come out. At 6:45 p.m., we see building consents for the New Zealand dollar, GFK consumer confidence for the pound, and we have several items coming out for the yen. Beginning at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have household spending, Tokyo Core CPI, National Core CPI, unemployment rate, and retail sales. So that concludes our market brief for today. Remember that keep your losers close and always let your winners run with the wind. This is James Bush with our market brief, signing out. Good trading.